And can you tell what my theme is? I'm doing a bit of theme this year. Hi lovely people, welcome. Okay, it's officially Christmas season and I am excited. This is my favorite season. So I bought some decorations. My last piece of decoration is supposed to come today and I'm trying to put my tree up today, but we'll see how that goes. So I got these darling from the dollar store, and can you tell what my theme is? I'm doing a bit of theme this year. Okay, we have our forever home. This beautiful garland darling is from Walmart. It's from For the Front Door and it's $17.47. Baby, it's cute. And I got some of these. This is from Walmart also. I don't know why this is in top. I actually got 2 of these ones and then 2 of that ones. Probably gonna use 2 for the tree and 2 for my bouquet. I have to hide these, put these in bags, keep them in bags because my kids were ruining them. I got this small tree. Also got this. Yes, Milani. Are you ready to get out? I got a large command hook because this is probably what I'm gonna put the garland up with. And some small ones for my stockings. And these are the stockings. These are a bit on the dark red side. I wish they was a true red, but they will have to do because everything for Christmas is back ordered and I started doing all this Christmas stuff super duper late. Can you tell what my theme is? 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 What do you guys think? Are you feeling it? I also have some stuff from last year, which I will be incorporating, darling. The only thing that's left is my ribbon for my tree, and I'm still waiting on that to come. That's what I'm actually waiting on. These are my pillowcase. Such a cutie. You know, a bit of snow in Florida never hurt nobody. Oh, let it snow, let it snow. Yes. Oh, and I got me some, this set from Walmart. It's a I can't talk. It's a fork, knife and spoon set. Also from Amazon. I'm gonna save this for last because maybe you'll be able to guess my theme. From the dollar store I got this Don't know where I'm gonna put this yet. And I also got some silver trays because I have gold now and the theme is silver, darling. Also gotta clear one of these because I need something to put my candy in. Can you guess the theme? Can you? Got a whole bunch of these. And I got these two right here. Mommy! Mate, you made me just a guess now. My theme is cotton cat, is candy cane. So let me go get Milani. Huh? I need to go get the tree. Baby, I'm excited. I'm gonna throw everything back in this box so I can start decorating. I have this big thing of Christmas decoration from last year. And she is ready. So here is the tree. It is a 6-foot tree. I really want like a 9-foot tree, but until I can get my 8-seat dining room table, I'm gonna hold off on the tree, or I may just get it when Christmas is done and everything Christmassy is on sale, because I actually want 2 trees. Okay, Milani. I want one for in here. It's gonna go right there where that table is, right at the window. And I also want a narrow tree to go right there, right in that corner. So I'm probably gonna get 2 trees when Christmas is over and everything is on sale. So yeah, let me move things around a bit and get started. So I think I forgot how much work decorating was, because this tree actually took me, I think, like an hour to an hour and a half to fluff properly and to get it to look somewhat decent. Lord, this was a lot of work. And I did everything in one day because I got the one package that I wanted. It arrived while I was doing fluffing this tree right here.
So this was the last thing that I was waiting for in the mail, and it was this ribbon, cotton candy colored ribbon. It was red and white, and I feel like it was definitely worth the wait. It looks amazing.
Yes, okay.
I don't have the candy one. Can I try one?
Can you try it?
So as you can see, Kai is super excited to be helping decorating the tree. He's actually at the age now where he can help decorate the tree, but his sister is at the age where she's taking off the ornaments off the tree, like how he used to take them off the tree. So I had to make sure that I put the ornaments a little bit on the higher side and didn't put a lot of ornaments on the bottom because she will definitely take them off. And these two things that I put on the tree were super hard to get on the tree. I can't even remember what they're called. Think I'm having a brain fart. But they were hard to get on the tree because the iron part, the bottom part is iron and it's super long. And I didn't have anything to cut it all the way down. So these beautiful flowers are actually from the dollar store. I've had these for about 2 or 3 years, and I wish I had got some new ones, but when I went to the dollar store, they didn't have any of these. So I am using what I got. I wish I got some new ones because the leaves of the flowers are a bit bendy, but they will have to do. And all I'm doing is I'm decorating this small tree, and this is actually going to go on our entertainment system.
So I would do the whole plate and forks and all that, but I have kids and I'm not putting down anything that I don't want them to break or to play with. Same thing with my Christmas tree. I didn't do a whole bunch of ornaments and I didn't put my ornaments on the bottom of the Christmas tree because I have kids. So pro mommy tip, don't put down anything that you don't want your kids to play with basically. So I'm not gonna have a heart attack if they take down one or two ornaments or if they play with something. I make sure I put stuff down. So if it breaks or if they play with it, I'm okay.
So as I'm showing you guys here, I'm just showing you that the stockings and the pillowcases are two different reds. So in order for them not to look weird, I actually put some other red pillows close to those stocking, and excuse my sweaty armpits. It's a it's a Florida Christmas. I had to run to go turn on the AC. So this is the finished product of the decorated home. I didn't want to talk too much in this video, and I couldn't talk too much in this video because I had music playing, and I just wanted to get this decoration over and done with because I'm starting a bit late. So thank you guys for watching.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Same place, same time. Deuces.